In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use the text block to create a beautiful list. This is the text block, and on this text block, we will add a beautiful list. To do this, let's go into that block. For example, we'll add a few items. Now, select these items and convert them into a bullet list. Okay, so this is our list now, and this is how it looked by default on Kajabi. Now we will customize this list. To customize it, we need an option, so please try to activate this option. Go inside these options and click on this checkbox. Okay, now this is the list icon, and we can see that we have a few options here. I'm going to explain them one by one. This option controls the icon size. This is the icon that is showing here. You can set the icon size for desktop and for mobile. Now I will upload two icons. One icon for the regular state and another one for the hover state. This is the default icon, and I have these two icons I'm going to use. So let's upload the icon. Okay, now you can see that the icons have changed. Next, let's upload the hover icon. Okay, this option controls the spacing for the icon. Now this option is for the text color. If I want to change the text color, I can do that from here. This option is for the font size. If I change the font size to something like this, you can see the difference. I'm going to keep a little bit smaller. We also have divider options. For example, we can choose a solid divider. You can see the solid divider here. This option controls the spacing, and I'm going to add some spacing here. That's all. This option controls the spacing for mobile as well. So this is how we use the list styler to turn an ordinary list into something extraordinary like this. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next video.